kept the faith. 2 Timothy 4:7. Having completed her race here on earth, our dear sister Mary Joel AC took her flight to heaven on 6th November 2020 at 5:45 p.m., whom the Lord found worthy to be in his embrace forever. Sister Mary Joel of Jesus, named Julia Rodriguez, was the daughter of late Mr. Joseph Rodriguez and Mrs. Flory de Souza. She was born on 13 September 1948 at Jabalpur. She was the second of 5 siblings. The eldest brother, Mr. Dominic, is in USA. Her sister Annie was present with us, with her husband, Mr. Neeraj, to pay their final adieu to Sister Mary Joel. The other brother John and the youngest brother, Mr. Raymond, who are all in New Delhi. All our brothers, sisters, and relatives and friends loved her very much, as she was very simple, kind, humble, gentle, impartial, and tender as a loving mother. Our sister Mary Joel was admitted as postulant in January 1969 and made her first profession on 15th May 1971. The final profession took place on 13th May 1976. In 2021, she was to celebrate a golden jubilee of her religious life in the Apostolic Carmel. Sister Mary Joel held many responsible posts as an Apostolic Carmel sister. She was in Technical School Patna for many years, teaching shorthand and typing. She was superior in many convents like Sacred Heart Convent Jamshedpur, Carmel Convent Patna, St. Joseph's Convent Hazaribagh, etc. She was elected as the provincial bursar in Kolkata before the division of Northern and Eastern Province and as the provincial councillor for 3 terms in Northern Province. A gentle, loving ways endeared to one and all. She was very unassuming and warm in her dealings with others. All know her talent in singing, as she was gifted with a beautiful and a strong voice. If you light a lamp for someone else, it will also brighten your own path. This was so true of our dear sister Mary Joel, who lit the path of so many young postulants who were under her care. As a spiritual person, the higher superiors found her fitting to fulfill the role of her formator. This very special mission she carried on nearly for 15 years, very efficiently and effectively. All our postulants have very fond memories about her training. Though she was very firm, yet she was very impartial towards all as a tender mother. She was transferred to Carmel Convent, Dalbar in May 2019. She came from St. Joseph's Convent, Hazaribagh, after a term of superiorship. For a year, she was the coordinator of primary section. The staff and the students loved her very much and went to her for every need and support. She would send them back, giving them some needed advice, and all were satisfied with her captivating and a gentle smile. She was very affectionate, loving, kind, and cheerful. Her demands were very few, was satisfied with whatever was given to her. Our aspirants and candidates will miss her very much, as she was taking their reading practice and teaching them correct pronunciation. Sister Joel had strong faith in God. She was not frightened of the sickness that surrounded her. She suffered silently all the pain and aches. Even when our diabetes disturbed her at times, she endured without making much fuss out of it. She was very slow to complain about her sickness. We found that she was not looking that well on Friday, 30th October. So Sister Sandra, the superior of the community, decided to take her to the hospital, made all the arrangements, and she was taken immediately to Asati Hospital. The doctors in Medica found her condition quite serious. She was admitted in CCU, and was put on ventilator. As the doctors found that Sister Joy was developing more complications, on 5th November, she was shifted to Tata Main Hospital, Jamshedpur for the better treatment. On the next day, however, she suffered one more cardiac arrest and took her flight to heaven at 5:45 p.m. All of us were quite shocked to hear the sudden news of her passing away. Dear Sister Joy, your life is a blessing and your memory is a treasure. You are loved beyond words and missed beyond measure. We say farewell now, dear sister, till we meet again in heaven above. Life is not finished. It has just begun for Sister Marijoy. We will surely miss you, dear sister, especially your loving sisters of Carmel Convent, Dhanbad.
Verses 1 to 9. The souls of the righteous are in the hand of God, and no torment will ever touch them. In the eyes of the foolish, they seem to have died, and their departure was thought to be a disaster, and their going from us to be their destruction. But they are at peace. For though in the sight of others they were punished, their hope is full of immortality. Having been disciplined a little, they will receive great good, because God tested them and found them worthy of himself. Like gold in the furnace, he tried them, and like a sacrificial burnt offering, he accepted them. In the time of their visitation, they will shine forth, and will run like sparks through the stubble. They will govern nations and rule over peoples, and the Lord will reign over them forever. Those who trust in him will understand truth, and the faithful will abide with him in love, because grace and mercy are upon his holy ones, and he watches over his elect. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Thank you. प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु। प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। प्रभु मेरा प्रेमी बंधु है, मेरा एक बंधु है। प्रभु मेरा जीवन सहारा है, मेरा एक सहारा है। प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु। प्रभु मेरा प्रेमी बंधु है, मेरा एक बंधु है। प्रभु मेरा प्रेमी बंधु है, मेरा एक बंधु है। चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु। प्रभु मेरा जीवन सहारा है, मेरा एक सहारा है। प्रभु मेरा जीवन सहारा है, मेरा एक सहारा है। चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु। प्रभु मेरा प्रेमी बंधु है, मेरा एक बंधु है। प्रभु मेरा प्रेमी बंधु है, मेरा एक बंधु है। चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु। प्रभु मेरा जीवन सहारा है, मेरा एक सहारा है। प्रभु मेरा जीवन सहारा है, मेरा एक सहारा है। चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु। प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु, चलना मेरे साथ प्रभु। प्रभु मेरा जीवन साथी है, मेरा एक साथी है। प्रभु मेरा प्रेमी बंधु है, मेरा एक बंधु है। प्रभु मेरा जीवन सहारा है, मेरा एक सहारा है, मेरा एक सहारा है।
Smiling face every time we met her. Thank you, dear sister, for all that you were for us and our children. We will miss you. I pray to God for her eternal peace. Rest in peace, dear Sister Joy.
have not met her or spoken to her in person so much to be so close to her. But the little interaction that we have had with her, that especially I have had with her, was very pious, very comfortable, gentle. The words that she spoke, you could hardly hear it at times. It's just that you have to ask her once again, excuse me sister, could you please come again? So that I could listen to her carefully and hear what she's trying to tell me. I cannot speak anything much about her because I haven't been that close to her. I haven't spent so much time with her. But yes, but for those few moments that every morning wishing her each time she passes my classroom made me get that inner feeling that there was something very, very generous about her, that was very comforting about her. Her smile was too warm for you to overlook that, yeah, okay, Sister Jewel is passing my class. I'll wish her sometime later in the day. That would never happen. It's always that she passed and I just look at her and that eye-to-eye contact that we gave each other meant a lot, more than what my words could speak for her also. So it was just a small period of time where she had called us to her office to do the judgment for the children's craft work. That was the only time when I had met her and spoke to her for a little longer period of time, you can say for around about 5 to 10 minutes. And in that 5 to 10 minutes, she was so warm, so gentle, so subtle and comforting that it made it so very easy for us to take out those children who have done their craft work and pick out the very best from the bunch. So these were a few things that I felt till yesterday when Sister Sandra put it in the group is that would anyone like to speak for Sister Joel? It took me a little time. I hesitated a little because I had not met her much. I had not interacted with her much. But then I thought maybe a person who just looking at you can pass on such a warm message. So it will take me just a fraction of a time to just come and say a few words about her. The words are just her gentleness, her piousness, and her comforting in the warm smile that she gave you every morning when you wished her. That is all that I have to say for Sister Joel, that she connected without words. That was her simplicity, that she connected with us without words. And of course, we will miss her each time we look out of her door. We will miss her presence in the school, always. So before I could end, I'd just like to say a few words. What she would tell us when she sees us at the heavenly door, when we meet up with her for the next time. I made it home. I just wanted to let you all know that I made it home. Everything is so pretty here, so white, so fresh, so new. I wish that you could close your eyes so you could see it too. Please try not to be sad for me. Try to understand. God is taking care of me. I'm in the shelter of His hands. Here, there is no sadness, no sorrow, and no pain. Here, there is no crying, and I'll never hurt again. Here, it is so peaceful when all the angels sing. I really have to go for now. I have just got to try my wings. These were her words to us, so that when she meets us at the gate, she then tells us, I'll be the first face you see when you get there.
Strangely, when I heard Patricia speak, I realized I had a lot of interaction with Sister Joel. Each time I came down, we always find time and speak. As we all remember, Sister's serene smile, her calm presence, her constant support. I do not know, maybe for what reasons I would always be there in her office. For some reason or the other, sit there and talk to her. And Sister would smile gently and she would have a solution. I would generally go for some social service work or something. Sister would always be there. I needed to go to the primary block. I'd ask her and gently she would smile and say, yes, please go ahead. And always had time to stop and ask, how are you, Sonali? So, Sister's gentle presence, calm, serene, support. I could understand what a big support Sister must have been for the primary block. Forever there, smiling, quiet, and available. We shall miss you, Sister Joel.
कोई भी काम को प्यार से बताती थी। जब भी हम जय श्री राम लोग बोलना भूल जाते थे तो वो खुद जय श्री बोलती थी। हम लोगों को हमेशा याद करते रहेंगे। सिस्टर जोएल को बहुत बहुत याद करते रहेंगे।
Our life, death runs swiftly towards us, and we run just as swiftly towards it. Every breath we take, every step we make, brings us nearer to the end of life. We are like water spilled on the ground, which cannot be gathered up. Time is indeed short. A good death is God's blessings to everyone. God gives us all the courage and confidence to go home, that is, to God's house gracefully. For that we must be prepared by doing good deeds here on earth. Let us all pray to God that He may have mercy on us and give us the grace to face Him when He calls us. Let us now all stand for 2 minutes. Let us pray for the repose of the soul of Sister Joel in silence. Let us do